Hey guys, I've done my eyebrows and I've moisturized my face. So now I'm going to take my Becca primer and apply that everywhere on my face so that I can combat the oils that my skin loves to seep through. And next I'm going to take my Hourglass foundation stick and I'm going to apply that everywhere. And then I'm going to spray my flat top kabuki brush and blend out that foundation. And as you can see, that foundation is very full coverage. And next I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast and apply that under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And as I wait for that to dry, I'm going to be watching my previous makeup tutorial, which I will link right here. So go ahead and check that out. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and just blend out my concealer. And next, I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NW40 and apply that to my under eye and the bridge of my nose. And this concealer dries quickly, so I did not have to wait to let it set a bit. And I'm just going to take that sponge and blend out. And next I take my Black Opal powder in the shade Medium. And I would tap some into my lid, take that beauty sponge, blow some off, and apply that everywhere that I concealed, which is under my eye, my chin, my Cupid's bow area, my eyelids, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Spray to remove that powdery finish. And now I'm going to be taking my Mented Season 2 ABF Contour and Highlight Duo. This was my first time using it and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to just take my broken brush and apply that contour or bronzer to my face. And as you can see, it just adds warmth, which I very much so love. And that double chin, it's got to go. And I'm going to also apply that bronzer color on my nose. Carve it out a little bit, you know. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade C8 and just use that to blend everything together. And once again, we spray because, you know, you can never spray too much. And next, I'm going to use my LA Pro eyeliner, and I believe it's in the shade Coal. I'm just going to use my foundation brush to pull down my lid. And I'm also going to tight line so that we can prepare for these struggle lashes. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara to apply onto these struggling lashes. And as you can see, not only are my real lashes struggly, these fake ones are a struggle as well. I'm just gonna let you sit here and watch me struggle. And now that the struggle is somewhat over, we're going to apply some liquid eyeliner to cover up that lash band. And we're just going to do the same to the other eye. But like I stated before, the struggle is not over. The struggle returned right about here. I was hot, but it's okay. We're going to fix it. Nose is brand new. And now I'm going to take that mascara and apply to my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to apply my contour color to the crease of my eyes, you know, to give it some definition. And then I'm going to take my fan brush and just spray it with that setting spray and go into my contour highlight duo and take that highlight color and apply it, you know, to the highlights of my face, which is that good old cheekbone, that nose, that cupid bow, and my temples. And next I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm going to take my Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Gumbo, and I'm just going to fill my lips with that beautiful brown color. And lastly, we're going to spray it for the final time. And I do hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial of a beginner doing some beginner makeup. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you will return for my next video. Bye, guys.